Hey friends, welcome back to new vlog of TripDude. Let us visit the Coffee Brown Resort in Kakkadampoyil in Calicut in this vlog. It is a cute resort surrounded by greenery and in a high range area. It has a 3-bedroom villa with a common kitchen and a pool. You can find beautiful garden with rich flowers and plants. You can find single bedroom in the first floor and 2 other bedrooms in the second floor. At starting, you can find a spacious hall with TV and music system. The rooms are elegant with quality furnitures and arrangements. The water in the pool looks clean and there is a small pool for kids. There is a shower room next to the pool. And if you drive around 1.5 km, you can reach a nearby waterfall. We actually came here to celebrate a birthday party. There is a barbecue grill which you can make use to cook barbecue. We woke up in the early morning to go for an off-road drive. Climate was not so cold because it was not raining. Contact the number mentioned in the description to know about the price of the villas. Don't miss to watch our next video, which will be an off-road and trekking video to the hills of Kakkadampoyil. If you enjoy the video, please do like, share, subscribe and click on bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.